everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to the skin, most people have some form of a pigmentation on the skin, whether it is dark spots, old scars, acne scars, or pimples, the blackhead marking, you name it. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you how you can get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin using natural ingredient. This is a very simple recipe, but a very effective recipe using ingredients that contain skin brightening properties. Now if you have dark spots on the skin and also dark neck, this remedy will work once used on the regular. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make this simple recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how best to get rid of your hyperpigmentation really quick. So don't click off, continue watching for the recipe.
To make our skin brightening remedy, we are going to be using potato. This is Irish potato, also known as white potato. This is a medium potato, so we are going to prepare the potato. Now the way the potato works on the skin is that it has to clear the hyperpigmentation. It is best used when it's very cold because it contains an ingredient called catecholase. This catecholase is what helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It is good to clear the neck of darker areas. It also is good to use on your knees, on your elbows, and on your joints. So the first thing I'm going to do with this potato, I am going to be peeling. Now to peel your potato, remove all of the outer peel. Another thing about potato is that the starch from the potato have skin tightening properties. So when you use it on your skin, it can help to boost collagen. It can also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And this is why I like to use the potato on my skin, since it do double duty. Now once the potato is peeled, I am going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. So you do need a blender for this recipe. Now if you do not have a blender, you can actually grate the potato. So chop in small pieces for blending, or go ahead and grate the potato. Now once the potato is done, we are going to place it in a small blender. And you're not going to add any liquid to this. The potato is going to produce its own liquid, so load up your blender with the potato. There's one other ingredient you could add to this if you have it, and that is some aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel. So now that we have the potato in the blender, we are going to blend and blend well. After blending, take a look. Here we have our creamed blended potato, and we're going to give this a stir. Notice mine start to look a little dark. That's the potato being exposed to here. It is still very much good. Now we're going to reach for a hydrating ingredient. And here I have some rose water. I'm using a teaspoon of rose water. However, if you do not have rose water, you can go ahead and you can use some green tea. You can even choose to use some bit of a lavender water. Now let's reach for another skin brightening agent. And here I have some lemon orange zest. This is lemon orange powder, which was dried and blended to a powder. If you do not have the dry one, you can use some fresh lemon or orange zest in this recipe. We are using a teaspoon of the orange lemon powder, and we are now going to mix this in our potato rose water. Now mix and mix well. So keep mixing. And this have a very pleasant fragrance. Now once all the ingredients are blended together, I suggest that you place it in the refrigerator. Leave it to chill for about an hour or so. And once it is chilled, then it's ready to use on the skin.
So to use this to clear your skin of pigmentation, you're going to take a little, about a teaspoon of your potato, orange, lemon, and rose water mixture, and you're going to use it to exfoliate your skin in circular motion. Take a look already, you can see This is the one that I'm exfoliating, and this is the other. You can clearly see how fast this works on the skin. So you're gonna exfoliate your skin with this about 3 to 4 minutes. Then you're gonna reach back for some more. Apply it on your skin. Be generous. And this is the second time we're exfoliating. Check. And then you're gonna leave this on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're gonna rinse off. Let me rinse off to show you the difference. Take a look. Exfoliate with the mixture. Only rinse, and you can clearly see the difference. So go ahead, use it to clear your skin of pigmentation, dark spots and blemishes, acne scar, old scar. This is also good to use on your neck. If you have dark neck, use it on your joints and your elbow, and before you know it, you're on your way to clear, brighter looking skin. Store it in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. When it is done, go ahead and make a new batch. There you have it, a very simple but a very effective remedy for hyperpigmentation. Now give this a try. Use it on your face, your neck, your décolleté. You can even choose to use it on your knees, on your elbows. However, I like to exfoliate my skin with it first, and then you can also choose to leave it on your skin for about 30 minutes and then you rinse off. The trick is to use it on a regular. When you just start using it, go ahead and use it every day if you so choose. At the end of the week, you will notice a significant difference to the skin. After that, you can go ahead and you can use it 2 to 3 times per week. Whatever you do, give it a go. And remember, use this when it is very, very cold. So store it in the refrigerator and take it out just before you use it. So thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments are always welcome. And if this was your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed, the word subscribe is below in red. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Now also we have membership. To become a member, just simply click on the join button below. It will take you to a page. There you will find a variety of prices. We start at $1.99. Choose your tier and you are now a member. Remember, it is a recurring monthly fee, so be mindful of that when you choose your tier. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.